Mosquitoes, the tiny vampires of summer. They buzz in your ear, they crash your BBQ, and they somehow think your ankles are a buffet. But guess what? You don't need toxic sprays or citronella torches that smell like sadness. You need plants with attitude. Plants that say, "Hey mosquito, not today, Satan." In this video, we're breaking down the top 7 plants that naturally repel mosquitoes while making your patio smell like a spa and your garden look fabulous. And yep, the StrongEcho AI Gardening App will show you exactly where and how to plant them for maximum buzz-off energy. Comment "Buzz-Off Squad" if you're building a mosquito-free zone, or "Itchy and Regretty" if they got you last season. Like and subscribe if you've ever clapped at the air in public and pretended you weren't fighting a bug. Because this summer, you're taking back your yard. You can grow it. 1. Lavender. Smells like peace, repels like a warrior. Planting tips. Full sun lover. Needs well-drained, sandy soil. No swampy drama. Space, 12-18 inches apart. Water lightly. Let it dry between soakings. Why it works. Mosquitoes hate lavender's scent. Humans? We want it in lotions, teas, and fancy soaps. Mistakes to avoid. Planting in clay soil equals root rot sadness. Overwatering equals dead spa vibes. Too much shade leggy, low-oil lavender. 2. Lemon balm. Smells delicious, tastes like revenge. Planting tips. Grows in part shade or sun. Moist, well-drained soil. Container-friendly, because it spreads like garden gossip. Why it works. Contains citronella, the stuff mosquitoes hate. Rub the leaves on your skin equals natural bug-off spray. Mistakes to avoid. Planting in the ground equals lemon balm takeover. Letting it flower equal flavor drops. Seeds spread. Forgetting to harvest woody and bitter leaves. 3. Citronella grass, the OG mosquito repeller. Planting tips. Needs full sun and warm temps. Grows tall, needs space, 2 to 4 feet. Bring indoors in cold climates. Why it works. It's the real deal. Natural citronella oil lives here, not the fake stuff in dollar store candles. Mistakes to avoid. Confusing with scented geraniums labeled citronella. Not the same. Forgetting to water in pots equals crunchy citronella. Leaving outside in frost grassy grave. 4. Basil. Pizza topping and pest patrol. Planting tips. Full sun, rich soil, consistent moisture. Great for containers and borders. Pinch often to keep it bushy. Why it works. Its essential oils confuse mosquitoes and protect your tomatoes. Dual-wielding defense and flavor. Mistakes to avoid, letting it flower. Bitter leaves, less bug-fighting oil. Overwatering, root rot. Ignoring spacing, basil jungle. 5. Mint. Fresh smell, mosquito repellent, slightly unhinged. Planting tips. Loves sun or partial shade. Moist, well-drained soil. Always grow in containers unless you want a mint invasion. Why it works. Mosquitoes hate menthol. You get fresh drinks and bug protection. Win-win. Mistakes to avoid. Planting directly in beds equals yard takeover. Not trimming equals leggy mint sadness. Forgetting to water equals bitter stunted mint. 6. Marigolds. Bright, bold, and bug-repelling. Planting tips. Full sun. Deadhead flowers for more blooms. Grow around entryways and garden beds. Why it works. They contain pyrethrum, a compound used in natural insect repellents. Plus, they look like living sunshine. Mistakes to avoid. Planting in too much shade equals no blooms. Overcrowding equals mildew and sadness. Ignoring dead flowers equals less bug power. App feature. Border planting suggestions to keep your whole garden on lockdown. Describe your specific situation and the AI buddy will give suggestions. 7. Rosemary. Cooking herb meets bug zapper. Planting tips. Loves sun, hates soggy roots, sandy soil, excellent drainage, doesn't mind a little drought. Why it works. Strong, piney scent confuses and repels mosquitoes. Also repels boredom from roasted potatoes. Mistakes to avoid. Overwatering equal rosemary revenge. Shady planting equal floppy, sad shrub. Pruning too late equal woody stems, less oil. General tips to keep mosquitoes away. Beyond the plants. Look, planting mosquito-repelling herbs and flowers is a great start. But mosquitoes are petty. If you leave them an open invite, they'll RSVP with a swarm. So here are some general plant-powered plus common-sense tips to keep your yard from becoming the next bug brunch spot. 1. Kill standing water. Save your sanity. Empty buckets, bird baths, saucers, gutters. Mosquitoes lay eggs in still water like it's a spa day. Even a bottle cap full of water can breed 300 mosquitoes. Yep, a bottle cap. 2. Use firepower, literally. Burn rosemary or sage bundles during outdoor dinners. Not only do they smell amazing, they confuse mosquitoes like a badly written group text. 3. Airflow equals bug repellent bonus. Use fans on patios or decks. Mosquitoes are bad flyers. Weak wings, worse attitudes. 4. Combine plants with natural oils. Rub crushed mint, basil, or lemon balm on your skin for a quick mosquito. Nope. Bonus. You smell like a mojito. You're welcome. 5. Choose yellow lights outdoors. Switch out your bright white bulbs for yellow LED bug lights. They attract fewer pests and still let you see your snacks. Mistakes to avoid. Leaving puddles, pet bowls, or rogue flower pots full of rainwater. Ignoring shady, damp corners of the yard. Mosquito heaven. Thinking one basil plant will protect your whole backyard. It won't. Plant in clusters. You don't need to bathe in DEET or wave Citronella like a torch-wielding druid. Just plant smarter. Use these mosquito-repelling plants. Place them near patios, doorways, windows. And let nature throw the bugs out of your yard. Comment, "Bite me never," if you're ready to build a mosquito-free zone. Get the StrongEcho AI Gardening App to plan and grow your bug-repelling barrier. With zero stress and max fresh. Because when it comes to biting bugs, you can grow it. Get the most out of your growing season. Troubleshoot any problem with our AI gardening buddy. Hello, AI buddy. I have 3m2 space left in a shady spot. What can I grow there? Don't include herbs.
Although many vegetables and fruits prefer full sun, there are several types of plants that can tolerate and even thrive in shady spots. Leafy greens, spinach, Swiss chard, and kale don't need as much sunlight as some other vegetables.
Get as specific as you need. Hello, AI buddy. It's June in the Netherlands. I'm going on a trip for 5 days. What are some garden watering tips to keep my plants healthy?
If you're going away for a few days, here are some tips to help ensure your garden stays hydrated. 1. Deep watering. A few days before you leave, give your garden a deep watering. This means watering your plants more than you usually would.
Describe your unique situation and let our AI gardening buddy solve your problems. Hello, AI buddy. I don't have a lot of mulch. What is the best way to get mulch without spending a lot of money?
Many towns and cities offer free or cheap mulch made from recycled leaves or wood chips. Contact your local waste facility or public works department to see if they offer this service. Always remember to ask about the source of the mulch to avoid introducing disease or pests into your garden.
Our AI doesn't just provide answers. It helps you see the bigger picture, highlighting key factors you need to consider for smarter decisions. Try it for free on app.strongecho.com. We all have limited space to grow our crops. We all have just a couple of months in a growing season. Use our AI gardening buddy to get the most out of your garden. You can grow it.